Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, this little fun character, once again, another fun character, Sylvester from the Warner Brothers characters. Well, here's a little tip and fact about me. I love cats and I love Sylvester. I even had a black and white cat that I named Sylvester. Miss him very much. But as always, and I share with you from time to time, if you want to become a better artist, sketching and the way you sketch is very, very important. So as you can see, my step 1, step 2, and step 3 is critical in becoming a better artist. Not just going straight lines, moving that pencil, looking at the shapes, and finding that definite object to build upon. Now, here's a little fun little trick that you may want to actually try. If you have a favorite character on cartoons, turn that TV program on or whatever, wherever you might find it in a book or a comic book, and use that as a model sheet and create that character from there, because not always will you create everything from memory, such as myself. I need references, so make sure you get a good reference and practice that way as well, and sketch very, very much. Anyways, if you have a pencil and some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson now. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.